Gunslinger. Hey, so what are we gonna do today? We're going to have them try to jump and break the obstacle course?
Yeah!
Okay. Alright, who's gonna go first? Who's that one? Let me see. Renegade, okay. And he only broke one door. Alright, Superman is gonna fly. Let's see. And he did not only took a barrel out. Who's next? Who's next? Gunslinger? Okay, Gunslinger. Let's see what he can do. And he took out everything. Good job, Gunslinger. What did you say? Alright. Alright, Cletus, he's gonna do it. Let's see what he can do. Cletus! He took out everything, but he fell down behind the Gunslinger fell. So that way, Gunslinger's still winning. Right? Okay, Bulldozer ready? Just really Toro Loco. And he only took out a door. Two doors. Okay, let's see what he can do. And he took out everything. But he didn't come out of the track, so he did not win. No good. No good. Monster Motivation is next. Let's see what he can do. And he took out everything. And I believe he might be the winner right now because he fell further than Gunslinger. We have Virginia Giant coming up next. And Virginia Giant is on the lead. Way to go, Virginia Giant. Alright, Scooby-Doo, let's see, where are you? Oh, Scooby-Doo, great showing, but you did not fall further than Virginia Giant. So right now, Virginia Giant is on top. We have Captain America. And good job, but you did not fall further. So it is down to 1 and 1. Yeah. We have Crustacean will be the last one to try to win. Can he do it? And he cannot do it. Even though he landed on his 4 tires, he was not able to take everything out. Therefore, your winner is... Grab him, Jeremy. Jeremy. Yeah, who's the winner, Jeremy? Virginia Giant. Grab him. He is the winner. He is the champion. The first annual champion of Jeremy's Obstacle Hot Wheels course, which was made up of regular car Hot Wheels and Hot Wheel Monster Truck. Alright, see you next time.